Welcome to today's topic, that is profit and loss. So let's suppose there are two people. One is Ram, another one is Sam. Now Ram has bought a pen for 100 rupees. So this 100 rupees thing is cost price for Ram or selling price. So we know that this 100 rupees thing is nothing but cost price for Ram. And when we sell this to Mr. Sam, he sells this to Mr. Sam for 120 rupees. He sells this to Mr. Sam for 120 rupees. So this 120 rupees with respect to Ram is this is cost, this is selling price, and with respect to Sam it is cost price. So with respect to Ram it is selling price. This 100 rupees pen is selling price for Ram and cost price for Sam. Now we know that if cost price, so till now we have discussed selling price as well as cost price. Now if anything is sold more than cost price, when we sell more than cost price, we say it is profit. And if I sell anything less than cost price, I say I'm in a loss. Correct. So we have seen here that the base price is the cost price. Now, since the base price is the cost price, we know that the profit or the cost or the loss will be calculated with respect to the cost price. So anything above cost price becomes profit. That means profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Anything more than cost price is profit. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price. And what is loss then? Loss is cost price minus selling price. Now we come to the next part, that is profit or loss percentage. So how do we calculate percentage? Percentage is always calculated with respect to the base price, correct? Or with respect to the base quantity. So what is the base quantity here? Cost price. So what is profit percentage? It is profit divided by cost price into 100. Profit divided by cost price into 100. And if I have to calculate loss percentage, we can write it like loss divided by cost price into 100. So this is the general formula for profit and loss percentages. We can write this one in a different way also, that is selling price by cost price equal to 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100. Or if we have loss, we can write it like 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100. Now, what is the use of this? In this case, we are writing SP and CP, the ratio of SP and CP at one side of the equation and the entire percentage part at the other side, so that our calculation becomes a little bit faster. Okay. So we'll see all this stuff when we'll be solving the problem based on this. Let's come to the next point. So we have the next point here, that is, so till now we have discussed cost price, selling price, profit. Profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price. Loss is nothing but cost price minus selling price. Now coming to the market price. So what is a market price? Market price is also called as MRP. This is also called as list price, booked price, etc. So this price is nothing but the market price. Whenever we give a discount, the discount is generally given on market price. Discount is given on market price. After giving a discount, the final price paid by the customer is generally termed as selling price. After we give a discount, the final price paid by customer is termed as selling price. So we always give a discount on selling, we always give a discount on market price. After giving a discount, the final price paid by customer is called as selling price. Okay, guys. So entire profit and loss is actually the game of percentages. So we'll see the problem based on this directly. Here I have written a few formulas which is used in this chapter. That is profit equal to SP minus CP, loss equal to CP minus SP, and so on. If you have gone through the concepts well, no need to remember the formulas. So we have the first problem, that is find CP when SP equal to 40.60 and the gain percentage is given. So in such kind of problems, we can directly use the formula, that is CP by SP equal to 100 divided by 100 plus gain. So from here we can say that CP equal to 100 divided by 100 plus gain. Gain percentage is 16%, so it is 116 into 40.60. So 40.60, if we divide by 116, answer is 35 rupees. So for the first problem, the solution is 35 rupees. That was a very direct problem. So we go to the next one, question number 2. A book was sold for 27.50 if the profit of 10%, with the profit of 10%. If it were sold for 25.75, then what would be the percentage profit or loss? Okay. So sold for, so SP is given as 27.50 and the profit percentage is given as 10%. Now from here we can say that cost price will be 100 divided by 100 plus gain 110 into 27.5. So we get the answer as 25. Cost price is 25 rupees. If the cost price is 25 rupees, what is the selling price? So new selling price equal to 100 plus new selling price is given as 25.75. So we see that the cost price is 25 and the selling price is 25.75. So what is the profit here? So we get the profit as 25.75 minus 25. That is 0.75. So what is profit percentage? So here profit percentage equal to 0.75 divided by 25 into 100, which is equal to 3%. So in this entire transaction, finally the profit was 3%. We go to the next one, question number 3. In question number 3, there are many ways to solve this problem. So we take the easiest one, that is directly exchange the value. So CP becomes 9 and SP take it as 10. So that is like CP equal to 9, SP equal to 10. So now we see that the SP is greater than CP. So we say that there is a profit. So what is the profit here? 10 minus 9 upon cost price is 9. So upon 9 into 100, that is 11.11%. Another method number 2, we can say that the cost price of 10 equal to selling price of 9. So let's suppose the cost price of one article was CP and the cost selling price of one article was SP. So 10 CP equal to 9 SP. We can say that now SP by CP equal to 10 by 9. So again, this has come into the ratio, that is SP becomes 10, CP becomes 9. So again, after that, we can go to the next same method, that is the method number 1. So this is method 1 and method 2. Coming to the question number 4, a shopkeeper professes to sell is good at cost price, and there is 900 gram for 1 kg. Okay. So we say that the cost price, so it is a false weight problem. In the false weight problem, we can say that, cost price equal to the false weight, selling price equal to true weight. If only weights are given. If their price or something else is given, then we'll be solving in a different way. So if weights are given, so we can say that the cost price is the false weight and the selling price is true weight. So what is the false weight here? False weight is 900 gram. What is the true weight? True weight is 1000 grams. So we say that, selling price is more than the cost price. So there will be a profit. So profit of 1000 minus 900 divided by 900 into 100, which again comes to 11.11%. So answer of question number 4 itself is 11.11%. We go to the next one, question number 5. Again, we can solve in many methods. So method number 1, cashews are sold for 60 per rupee. If the vendor decides to hike the price by 20%, how many cashews can be bought per rupee? Okay. So 60 per rupee. So 60 into 1 rupee. Now the price has been hiked by 20%. So 20% more of 1. So 20% more of 1 rupee becomes 120% of 120% of 1 rupee. And we have to find the number of cashews. So that becomes n equal to 60 divided by 1.2 equal to 50. So number of cashews sold is 50. Method number 2. This comes from the direct formula of, less and more, more and less. So the price has been hiked by, so if anything is more by n by d, the less is n by d plus n. So price has been hiked by 20%. So 20% we can write in the terms of fraction, that is 1 by 5. So price has been hiked by 1 by 5. So the less will be 1 by 6. Now 1/6 of 60 is nothing but 10. So number of cashews has been reduced by 10 because the price has been increased by 20%. So cashews has been decreased by 10, that is 60 minus 10, which is equal to 50. So still the answer is 50. We go to the next one, question number 6. A trader buys fruit 15 per rupee and the same number at 20 per rupee, and he mixes them and sell them for 35 for 2 rupees. So what we do, we don't know the exact number of the fruits. He buys fruits at this rate. So we take the total number of fruit to be the LCM of 15, 20, and 35. So what comes as the LCM of 15, 20, and 35? We'll take it as 3, 5, 4, 7. So this is the LCM of 15, 20, 35, 3547. So 3547, that comes to 420. So 420 apples, let's suppose he had. So 15 per rupee. So what is the cost price for the first type? So cost price for the first type is 420 divided by 15. Now 420, if you divide by 15, you get the amount as 28 rupees. What is the cost price of this at the second rate? That is 20 per rupee. Again, it is 420 divided by the second type is 20. So 420 divided by 20 is 21. So what is total cost price? Total cost price CP1 plus CP2, that is 49 rupees. Okay. So total cost price is 49 rupees. What is selling price? Now selling price, now 49 rupee is the cost price of how many apples? 49 rupee is the cost price of CP of total cost price of 840 apples, not 420 apples. It is the cost price of 840 apples. 420 apples from here, 420 apples from here. So total it is 840 apples. So now we have to find the selling price of 840 apples. Selling price of 840 fruits or apples. So 840 divided by 35 for 2 rupees. So how much we get here? 35 is gone. So it is 24. So 35, 7 and 5 is gone. So 4, 3 is at 12. 12 into 4, 48 rupees. So total selling price, we get it as 48 rupees and total cost price was 49 rupees. So now obviously we see that it is like, selling price is less than the cost price. So obviously there will be a loss. So there is a loss of 49 minus 48 divided by 49 into 100. That is 1 by 49, 100 by 49, that is 2.04%. So there is a loss of option A, that is 2.04%. So to solve such kind of problems, the best way is to find the number of fruits, to assume the number of fruits to be the LCM of 15, 20, and 35. That is the fruit per rupees. Okay. Now again, we have the same type of problem like question number 5. A reduction of 10% in the price of rice enables a man to buy 25 kg more for 225. So again, we can solve in two different methods. Method 1, 10% per rupees. So it is like, the price into quantity is given as 225. Also, we know that the price into quantity equal to 10% reduction in the price. So 90%. 10% is gone. How much percentage is remaining? 90%. 90% of price into 25 kg more. So quantity has been increased by 25. So P and P get cancelled. So we get here Q equal to 225. So once you solve this equation, you get Q equal to 225. If Q equal to 225, we'll substitute here in the first equation. So we get P equal to 1 rupee. So answer of this question is option C, that is 1 rupee. Coming to the method number 2. In method 2 also, we know that the price into quantity is 225. But again, we see here, it is the price has been decreased. So it is less or more. If less is N by D, the more is N by D minus N. So here 10% can be written as 1 by 10. So reduction is 1 by 9. 1/9 of a quantity equal to 25. So what is the total quantity? 225. If total quantity is 225, we'll substitute here in PQ. So again, it is like P into 225 equal to 225. So what is the value of P? P equal to 1 rupees. So answer of question number 7 is again 1 rupee. Coming to the next one, question number 8. While selling a fridge, a shopkeeper gives a discount of 10% on the marked price. If he gives 12%, he earns 35 rupees less. Now here we see the discount is 10% on the marked price and another discount is 12%. Difference between the profit is 25. So what is the difference between the discount? Difference between the discounts are 12% minus 10%, which gives me 2%. So difference between discount is 2%. And difference between the profit is 35 rupees. So we know that the 2% of marked price equal to 35 rupees. Because difference in the discount is 2% and difference in the profit is 35 rupees. So 2% of market price is equal to 35 rupees. So market price is equal to 35 by 2, that is 17.5 by into 100, that is 1750. So market price equal to 1750. Option D is correct. So in such kind of problems, you can directly see the problem and it is like difference in the price, difference in the percentage is directly proportional to the difference in the price. So we get the answer as market price equal to 1750. We go to the next one, question number 9. The difference between the discounts 40% on rupees 400 and two successive discount of 36 and 4. So first of all, this 36 and 4% discount, we can write it as 36 minus 36 minus 4 plus 36 into 4 by 100. So minus 36 minus 4 is like minus 40 plus 1.44 percentage. So in other words, the discount is 40 minus 1.44 percentage discount. And what was the previous discount? 40%. So difference in the discount becomes difference in the discount becomes 40% minus 40 minus 1.44%, which is equal to 1.44%. So we have to find difference in the discount. So what is the difference? That is percentage difference in the discount. So now we have to find difference in the discount. So difference in the discount equal to 1.44% of 500, which is 7.2 rupees. So answer of question number 9 is 7.2 rupees. So here we have, I have just used the formula, that is net change in percentage equal to A plus B plus AB by 100. So since there is a discount, so I have taken A and B both as negative. And thus we have got the net change in the two successive discount, that is 40 minus 1.44%. Okay. So we come to the question number 10 now. So we'll first of all find the price of the cost price of one bag. So it is like 4992 divided by 12, because it is like per dozen, each dozen has got 12 bags. So we get it as 416 rupees. What is the selling price of 18 bags? Selling price of 18 bags is given as 8208 divided by 18, because we want the selling price of one. So that comes as 456 rupees. Now, finally, we see that, profit is, SP is more than the cost price. So there is obviously profit of how much? This minus this, that is 456 minus 416 divided by 416 into 100. That is profit percentage. So it is like 40 divided by 416 into 100, which is like 1000 divided by, if I divide by 4, it is 104. That is 9.6 percentage. So answer is 109.6% is gain. Okay, so that's it. Thank you everyone.